Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. I'm here in the attic in my office. As you can see, amazing office by the way. This American flag as I keep your goals ahead of you every single time. But today is not why we're here. We're here because I want to show you my books, what I read, how I read, why I read it. The thing is that most entrepreneurs read tons of books. You've probably heard this many times before. When you actually go to Amazon and order a book, you're like, what should I order? And except for the usual stuff, like, let me see. Yeah, so I had a bunch of these, like copywriting secrets. This is from Jim Edwards, Russell's BFF. I got his expert secrets from Russell. I'm not taking this out, but as you can see, here's Ogilvy on advertising. Amazing book. It's one of the greats, so you have to read that guy's work. Well, this is what most entrepreneurs think. You gotta read all those, I don't know, marketing, business books and stuff like that. And while that's true, I mean, I keep these books, as you can see, on the top of my shelf because, I mean, these are unread books. I mean, books that I'm reading right now or I'm about to read. But these ones are books that I always come back to, reference. I mean, Ogilvy is there because it looks cool to be down there. Like, I mean, I can see it from where I sit, so it kind of inspires me. But except for that, I keep everything here. I take it as a reference. Like I'm not sure about a copywriting headline or something. I'll go grab Jim's book. I'm not sure about how a funnel split test should come out. I'll just grab the .com secrets. But besides that, what I read is books like this, for example, Change Your Brain, Change Your Life by Dr. Amen. And I have a bunch of books from him, like The Brain Warrior's Way is right here. The End of Mental Fitness is down there. So I read books on many topics. And when I pick a topic that's not strictly related to my area of expertise, like brain health, I'm not a brain surgeon, I'm not a psychiatrist, but I want to read about it. So I'm gonna read three books on this topic because it's sad that if you read three topics on a certain book, on a certain subject, you are going to be more knowledgeable than 90% of the people out there. So basically, after reading these three books from Dr. Amen, I'll know more than 90% of the people on brain health and everything, brain psychology, stuff like that. And this is what I recommend you. Just do not grab only business books, grab books from other industries as well, other anything that interests you. Grab three books from that specific area. Other stuff that I bring, I read. So I bought recently this book. I've not been able to read it yet. I'm still reading into brain health. So yeah, but it's on pre-Columbus history in America, which I'm very passionate about. So I'm gonna read three books about that, and I'll have a better understanding of US's history and legacy, and which, I mean, you can never know when this will come in handy and actually help you because you got some skills from there, you got some knowledge from there which you can apply in today's world. Or from the brain health books, I got new habits and I feel a better man like every single day because I feel refreshed when I wake up in the morning. Another interesting, I mean, this is like even a normal thing somebody would read this kind of books if it's not super into those, but I'm very passionate about Italian mob, especially the ones in the 20s and 30s with Al Capone and the one in New York in the late 50s. So here you have it, like five families. It's a great book. It's a thick book as well, as you can see. Like it's almost as my thumb, as thick as my thumb. But anyway, it's a great book, and it's a 900-page book actually. So it's like almost reading three books. So I understood more about how the mob operated and interesting facts about them. It was how they were actually built as a company inside, and they had their oaths, they had their kind of inside politics, which were brutally enforced, obviously. But you don't have to do that with your employees. You just have to make similar policies. And because like the mob was such a well-oiled machine and it worked great. I mean, they were doing like illegal stuff. You don't have to do that. But what I'm trying to say is just take out from that book what you can implement inside your business. What else do I have here? Like, I'll just skip through this. Yep, here I have it. Ta-da-da-da. Barack Obama is new book. He just released it. It's mostly about politics, overcoming his situation and becoming the first black president. Which, I mean, he's obviously an inspirational man. I mean, hate it or love it, you gotta give the man what's his. He was the first black president. It wasn't an easy journey for him, so you gotta learn from that. And I have a lot of autobiographies here. I have Elon Musk's. I have Shoe Dog, amazing book. Nike's founder. Oh, what's his name? It's on the tip of my tongue. Whatever. So, thing is, where is Shoe Dog? I mean, I'm sure it's here. I have Richard Branson, obviously. That's a great guy. Elon Musk is down there. Can't find... Where's Shoe Dog? Oh, Phil Knight. Yeah, this was his name. Phil Knight. That's the founder of Nike. Okay, cool. So this is basically what I read. I also order from time to time marketing books, but usually I take courses on marketing rather than ordering books. So if I were to start over again, I would buy a course online. I would not really try to buy a book on marketing. It can get outdated pretty fast. I mean, there's books from Russell, for example, or Ogilvy. Those are like valid in any point of time because they're like general stuff about marketing. It's not like you go into the Facebook Ads Manager, you do this and you do that, and you'll get a 5x ROS. No, it's more like this is what you should do on a daily basis in order to blah, blah, blah. So, yep. Ending here. If you want to see more on my books or any other topics like this, just let me know in the comments down below. And don't forget about the ClickFunnels topics. I want to see in the comments what would you like to see next, and I'll make sure to deliver. Till then, have an amazing day.